My dear students and learners, just welcome in the cues in this puzzle. Just I want to discuss about some of the two integers should be equal to the third integer. Before starting finding the summation of this solution of this puzzle, first of all I want to discuss the rule of this puzzle. So you can construct individually by yourself. So what should we recall in your mind? So first of all try to divide in the left side in 8 column, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, 8. Similarly you can construct divide 8 column in the right side, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. just you can continue this process in the decreasing order. Just you can observe that here 4 boxes we are given here, then after just 2 white boxes we are given here, then just after you can obtain 1 boxes we are given here. Similarly just you have to arrange in the decreasing order, 2 boxes, 1 boxes and 2 boxes and 1 boxes and 2 boxes. After the combining, that should be equal to individual at last 1 boxes. You have to do the process LHS as well as RHS. Now just I want to discuss here how can we solve this type of the problem in this given puzzle. So what is the rule here? We have to find out the integers in empty boxes. Okay, sum of the 2 boxes integers should be equal to the just next box. Okay, it is the rule. So what should be added with the -2, then that should be equal to the 6. Just you can put here 8. After adding 8 and -2 we can obtain 6. Okay, similarly from the given one 4, for the 4 you have no given any clue, so just proceed for the next one. What should be added with the 3, then we can obtain the -2. Just we can put here -5. So -5 plus 3, that should be equal to the -2. Just for the next boxes there is no given clue. Just we can observe in white boxes what should be added with the -2, that should be equal to the next boxes summation 10. So just you can observe that 12 and -2 we get here 10. Now for the previous, just what should be added with the 10, then that should be equal to next boxes is equal to the 0. So we can put here -10 and plus 10, that should be equal to the 0. Now we can obtain the clue for the previous box here. What should be added with the 6, then we can obtain -10 here. So here just you can put here -16. -16 plus 6, that should be equal to the 10. Similarly we obtain the clue for the previous boxes here. What should be added with the 4, then that should be equal to the -16. So just you can obtain here -20. -20 plus 4, that should be equal to -16. Just you can watch in the downside boxes. What should be added with the 5, that should be equal to the 12. Then you can add here 7. In this way we can proceed for the next clue. In the right side also, what should be added with the 3, then we can obtain -8. Just we can put here -11. Okay, after the combining -11 3, then we can obtain the -11 -8. Just we can get the clue for the previous one. -4, what should be added with the -4, then -7 and -4 we can obtain -11. Just you can obtain here 2. Now just here is not given clue for the downside boxes, but one clue you have given here, -8. What should be added with the -8, that should be equal to the 0. So you can add 8 -2 -8, that should be equal to 0. Now just let us see here, take any individually integers. Just I have considered that 4 here. So after the combining 4 minus 1, that should be equal to 3. Now we can obtain clue for the next boxes. There should be the 5. After the adding 5 and 3, that should be equal to 8. Now we can obtain the clue for the previous boxes. What should be added? Minus 6, that should be equal to the 5. So just we can put here 11. In this way we can solve this type of the puzzles. You can create by yourself. I hope that everyone understood. Have a nice day all of you. Bye.